was achieved last year in the realm of space and aeronautics.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself Bhavya from Excellent Station. To put it preciously, the day marks a significant milestone in the space country exploration history, commemorating the 1-year anniversary of the Chandrayaan-3 successful launching on the lunar surface. The event is designed to inspire and engage the young generation in the space and technology. Good afternoon everyone, myself Sumaya from A3. The historical achievement of Chandrayaan-3 on August 24, 2023, the Indian Space Research Organization achieved a remarkable feat with successful landing Vikram lander on a moon. This mission made India's fourth country to land on the moon and the first to land near the southern polar region. The lunar space surface making a significant achievement in India's space exploration efforts. Thank you.
One and all, this is Mokshasri from 10th standard in Kanyakumar High School.
Good morning, Mandal. My name is Andikita from 10th class in Kanyakumar High School.
ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, was founded on August 15, 1969, aims to advance space technology and its national demonstration. Aryabhatta, it is the first Indian satellite launched on April 19, 1975. It is used for scientific experiments in astronomy and technological demonstration. Rohini, it is the satellite starts with the RS-1 in 1980 in India, satellite used for Earth's observation, and it's the first remote sensing satellite of India.
Aditya L1 is an Indian spacecraft launched by ISRO. To study the sun, it aims to explore solar activities and their effects on the Earth's climate. IRS-1, launched in 1988, was India's first Earth observation satellite for resource management and environmental monitoring.
Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Ashwin from 10th standard.
Good morning everyone, my name is Nitya from 10th standard.
The Earth Fleet is a new project that uses advanced satellites to watch over our Earth. It will help us to understand atmospheric pressure, water cycle, and to know more about our space. The term Earth Fleet refers to two main contexts: NASA Earth Science Mission. NASA operates a dedicated observing and study to our Earth by climatic condition, water cycle, and atmospheric condition. In year 2025, the NASA is going to launch one of its instruments called CLARIO-PF. Now Haripya will explain what is CLARIO-PF.
CLARIO-PF means the Climate Absolute Radiance and Refractivity Observatory Pathfinder. So this will help us better understanding about the climate changing on the Earth by taking measurements of the sunlight reflected by the Earth and the Moon, anchored by the international standards that will be 5 to 10 times more accurate than those from existing sensors.
What is the purpose of CPF?
Good morning everyone, my name is Yaris. I am studying 8th standard. My school name is Kanyakumar and I am explaining about the working model in formation of day and night. The Earth has mainly two types of movements. They are rotation and revolution. Rotation is the movement of the Earth on its axis. Day and night are caused due to the Earth rotation, and at any point in time half of the Earth is in sunlight, while the other half is in darkness. Explaining to my friend.
The light of the day is daytime, the dark of the earth is nighttime. If the earth is not rotated, there won't be day and night. One part of the earth faced by sun extremely hot. Another side of the earth is faced to moon. This is similarly cold. If the earth can be exit for the such situations. If the earth is not rotated, no one can be live on the earth. Trees, animals, birds, nothing will be living on the earth. Thank you.
Studying in 7th grade, I am telling about Chandrayaan-3. Chandrayaan-3 is a Indian Star Moon mission by ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. It was launched on July 14, 2023 from Satish Dhawan Space Center. Softly land around 6:04 p.m. on August 23, 2023.
The lander is separate from the orbiter. Lander lands on the moon. Roots coming out of the lander. Rare stays on the moon for 14 days. The primary object of Chandrayaan-3 mission of the demonstrated stays on landing near to lunar southern polar region. The rocket has 3 stages. First stage is the rocket boosters will be used. Second stage is the Vikas engine will be used. Last stage is cyclonic energy will be used. It has 3 parts. First part is rover, second part is lander, third part is rover. Thanks for seeing Chandrayaan-3.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Lasya. I am from 7th standard in Kanyagopal High School. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sharika. I am from 7th standard in Kanyagopal High School. Your topic is about Earth layer model, international structure. The Earth interior is like a egg. The Earth is made up of 3 main layers. They are crust, mantle, core. The crust is the outer layer of the Earth. Crust it is the depth of 30 to 100 kilometers. Crust is mostly made up of soiled rocks and mantle is 100 to 2000 kilometers in thickness. Mantle is chemicals called silicate in 2900 to 3607 in thickness. The layer of internal and outer core is made up of 2 layers and it is made up of in Korea. Thank you.